Alright, recorded the sewer line here at 1230 5th Avenue North. Date is February 17th, 2021, excuse me. Alright, what we're looking at there is the Seattle City mainline sewer. This must be running up and down 5th Ave North out front here. We're going to pull back from this point and get a look at the sewer line coming back. So this is 6-inch diameter clay sewer line. Coming back towards the building now. So the building is responsible all the way for the sewer, all the way out to that city main. This is original concrete pipe. It's been here for a long time. Hard to say when. But you see we're having sections where we duck underwater. That's because there's large roots blocking the majority of the sewer in certain spots here. You can see some of these bigger roots as we come down the line, and you see them holding up sewage. Big roots blocking sewage leads to backups, leads to problems you don't want. So big old massive roots here. I'm having a tough time even pulling the camera back through that thing. You see how large that is, and all this toilet paper and waste it's catching. Again, massive root there. Look at all that waste that thing's catching on it. And then we're coming back into the plastic, so we're going to call that 43 feet of 6-inch diameter line before we get back into this plastic. And the PVC looks good, so I don't see any issues with the PVC itself. And up out of the clean out there. So there is there's our look at this sewer on this side of the building. I'm going to end the video there. This is from taking this on the south side of the building.